If you're searching for a new AI tool to help you streamline your tasks and unlock new potential, MyPlato AI might just be the solution you've been waiting for. In this review, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about MyPlato AI, which was just released and is already gaining traction in the AI space. If you're a business owner, marketer, or anyone interested in automation, stick around because this software is a game changer. First off, MyPlato AI is designed with one key goal in mind: to simplify complex workflows and improve efficiency through cutting-edge AI. It's been built to handle multiple tasks that are often time-consuming, saving users a ton of time. Whether you're looking to automate customer service, generate content, or optimize your digital marketing campaigns, MyPlato AI is engineered to handle a wide variety of tasks. What's exciting about MyPlato AI is its user-friendly interface. Unlike other complex AI tools that require a steep learning curve, MyPlato AI allows users to hit the ground running. Even if you're new to AI software, you'll find the design intuitive, with minimal setup needed. The dashboard is simple, and the process of setting up your first task or automation is smooth, meaning you can start seeing the benefits right away. Another major feature is its advanced natural language processing abilities. MyPlato AI can understand and generate human-like text, making it ideal for content creators and marketers. Whether you need blog posts, ad copy, or social media content, the AI can generate high-quality material in minutes, giving you more time to focus on strategy. The accuracy of its writing is impressive and only getting better as it learns. But MyPlato AI doesn't just stop at content creation. One of the standout features is its ability to assist in managing customer interactions. The AI can handle inquiries, support tickets, and even personalized responses, reducing the workload on your support team and improving response times. With the ability to adapt and learn from past interactions, it can provide a more personalized experience for customers, making it a valuable tool for businesses looking to improve their customer service. One of the most intriguing aspects of MyPlato AI is its scalability. This software is built to grow with your business. Whether you're a small startup or an established company, MyPlato AI adapts to your needs. It offers different levels of customization, so you can fine-tune it according to the specific tasks you want to automate. It's flexibility like this that makes it stand out from other AI tools that tend to be more rigid. But what really sets MyPlato AI apart is the integration capabilities. The software easily connects with popular platforms like CRM systems, social media, and email marketing tools. This means you can streamline all your operations into one central hub. You're not just getting a tool for one task, you're getting an AI assistant that integrates seamlessly into your workflow, saving you time and improving overall productivity. And let's talk about pricing. Unlike many AI tools that charge hefty fees or lock you into long-term contracts, MyPlato AI offers a completely free trial, which is a huge plus for anyone hesitant to commit without testing it first. This is great for small businesses or anyone just starting out who wants to see what the software can do before making any investment. Before we wrap up, let me quickly mention that if you're interested in giving MyPlato AI a shot, you can try it for free through the link in the description below. I've personally tested thousands of AI tools, and MyPlato AI is one of the most promising ones I've come across. You don't want to miss out on the chance to explore its features at no cost. To sum it up, MyPlato AI is an incredibly powerful, versatile, and user-friendly AI tool. Whether you're looking to improve your marketing, enhance customer service, or automate day-to-day tasks, this software has the potential to transform your workflow. Don't forget to check out the free trial through the link in the description and explore other AI tools I've recommended after testing them thoroughly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.